Good morning, students. Welcome to the part 2 video. Right. In first video, we have seen that different animals which give wool. Now, page number 26. From fibers to wool. So, how the wool is prepared from the fibers that we will see. For obtaining wool, sheep are reared. Their hair is cut and processed into wool. So let us learn this process. Right? To make wool, their hairs are reared and then they are processed. Rearing and breeding of sheep. How are the sheep bred and reared? If you travel to the hills in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, or the plains of Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat, you can see shepherds taking their herds of sheep for grazing. है ना, इन काफ़ी सारी जगहों पे you will see that they take their herds. Herds means a group of sheep for grazing. Grazing means चराने के लिए लेके जाते हैं. Sheep are herbivorous and prefer grass and leaves. They are herbivorous and what do they eat? Grass and leaves. Apart from grazing sheep, rearers also feed them on a mixture of pulses, corn, jowar, oil cakes, that is material left after taking oil, and minerals. In winter, sheep are kept indoor and fed on leaves, grain, and dry fodder. Leaves और grass के अलावा भी what do they eat? Their rearers give them the mixture of pulses, corn, jowar, all these things. Sheep are reared in many parts of our country for wool. Table 3.1 gives the names of some breeds of sheep reared in our country for producing wool. Table 3.1, it gives the information of the type of name of breed, the quality of wool, and where they are found. So in our Gujarat, we can see two types. That is Marwadi and Patanwadi. The wool of Marwadi is coarse. Coarse means, yes, it is not smooth. Patanwadi, it is for hosiery use. They are both found in Gujarat. Other also are given to from Rajasthan, Punjab, right? Jammu and Kashmir. So, the quality and texture of fibers obtained from them is also indicated in the table. Certain breeds of sheep have thick coat of hair on their body, which yields good quality wool in large quantities. As mentioned earlier, these sheep are selectively bred, with one parrot being a sheep of good breed. हमने देखा था, right? We have studied about selective breeding. What is selective breeding? Yes, when selective parents are, yes, particular parents are selected for having a special kind of breed, that is called selective breeding. Once the reared sheep have developed a thick growth of hair is shaved off for getting wool. जब एक बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी में हेयर उसके ग्रो हो जाते हैं, फिर उसको शेव किया जाता है, मीन्स उसके सारे जो हेयर है वो निकाल देते हैं, एंड देन दे आर यूज टू प्रिपेयर wool. Now processing fibers into wool. How are they processed? The wool which is used for knitting sweaters or for weaving shawls is the finished product of a long process which involves the following step. Stepwise it is given. Step 1. The fleece of the sheep along with it a thin layer of skin is removed from its body. This process is called shearing. उसकी बॉडी ऊपर से सारा वूल निकाल दिया जाता है with a thin layer of skin. It is called shearing. What is it called? The first step, it is shearing. Machines similar to those used by barbers are used to shave off hair. Usually hair are removed during the hot weather. This enables sheep to survive without their protective coat of hair. The hair provide woolen fibers. Woolen fibers are then processed to obtain woolen yarn. शेयरिंग करते हैं और जो उसके बाल निकलते हैं उसमें से फाइबर्स बनते हैं. एंड जनरली इट इज़ डन इन समर सीजन, हॉट सीजन, ताकि शेप को ठंडी ना लगे. राइट उसका ऊपर का कवर निकाल देते हैं, देन बॉडी कैन फील मोर cooled. So it is done in summer season, right? Hot weather. Shearing does not hurt the sheep, just as it does not hurt when you get a haircut off or your father shaves. उसको कोई नुकसान नहीं होता है उसके बाल निकालने से. It is just a shaving time, right? Do you know why? The uppermost layer of the skin is dead. Also, the hair of sheep grow again just as your hair does. उसके भी hair ऐसे ही होते हैं. अगर बाल काटते हैं तो दर्द होता है? नहीं होता है. So sheep was also not hurt, right, when you rear it or you shear it. Step 2. The sheared skin with hair is thoroughly washed in tanks to remove grease, dust, and dirt. This is called scouring. What is it called? Scouring. उसको एकदम अच्छे से साफ करना पड़ता है, right? The pictures are given. Nowadays, so scouring is done by machines. It is done by machines. Step 3. After scouring, shorting is done. The hairy skin is sent to a factory where hair of different textures are separated or shorted. Nowadays, the scoring is done in machines. The picture is given, picture C and D. But first, early days, it was done in tanks. Okay, after this, after scouring, what is done? Shorting. मतलब अच्छी क्वालिटी के हेयर को अलग निकालते हैं, जो खराब है उसको अलग निकालते हैं. शॉर्टिंग इज डन एंड द गुड हेयर, राइट, द हेयरी स्किन इज सेंट टू फैक्ट्री. स्टेप 4. द स्मॉल फ्लफी फाइबर्स कॉल्ड burrs आर picked out from the hair. These are the same burrs which sometimes appears on your sweaters. The fibers are scoured again and dried. This is the wool ready to be drawn into fiber. फिर क्या करते हैं? बर्स निकालते हैं उसमें से, राइट, दिस फ्लफी फाइबर्स, वो सब उसमें से कचरा मतलब सब निकालते हैं, फिर वापस उसको धोते हैं. एंड देन द वूल इज रेडी टू मेक fiber. Step 5. The fibers can be dyed in various colors as the natural flesh of sheep and goat is black, brown or white. Then it is colored into different colors, right? Because the original color is only black, brown or white. Step 6. The fibers are straightened, combed and rolled into yarn. Right? The picture is given. 3.8D. It is rolled into yarn. The longer fibers are made into wool for sweaters and the shorter fibers are spun and woven into woolen cloth. जो लॉन्ग है उसको स्वेटर्स में यूज़ करते हैं, जो शॉर्ट फाइबर्स है उसको वुलन क्लॉथ बनाते हैं. right? The processing of fiber into wool can be represented as followed. Under the diagram, the process is given: shearing, then scoring, then sorting, then cleaning of birds, then again sorting, and then dyeing and rolling into yarns, right? Wool industry, we have seen that in this way it is done. Now, silk. Activity 3.4. Under that, other topic, it is silk. From where do we get the silk? From silkworm, we know, right? But how do we get this? Silk fibers are also animal fibers. Silkworms spin the silk fibers. The rearing of silkworm for obtaining silk is called sericulture, right? सिल्कवर्म को पालना और उसमें से फिर सिल्क निकालना, that is called sericulture, right? Find out from where your mother, grandmother, aunt the kind of silk sarees they have. List the kind of silk. Before we discuss the process of obtaining silk, it is necessary to know the interesting life history of a silk moth. सिल्क मोथ की पूरी लाइफ हिस्ट्री कि वो कैसे बड़ी होती है, कैसे सिल्क बनाती है, that we will see, right? And then we will see how the silk is reared from silkworm. It is advisable for you to read the life history of a silkworm once, and then we will continue it. Thank you.